Good morning, my dear learners. Today we're going to talk about contraction. A contraction is a word formed by joining two separate words. For example, the word she will become she'll. Observe the words carefully. Okay? The word is she will. And then it becomes she'll. So, we omitted the W and I, and these letters becomes an apostrophe, transformed into an apostrophe. Okay, an apostrophe is used to take the place at the omitted letters. Again, an apostrophe is used to take the place at the omitted letters. For example, the word she will becomes she'll. We omitted the W and I letters and then changed that into an apostrophe. You understand now? So the W and I becomes an apostrophe. And the word she will becomes one word. She'll. Let's have some common contraction rules. Okay, when the second word is not, the apostrophe takes the place of the O. For example, is not becomes isn't. We get the O, change that into an apostrophe. Do not becomes don't. We change the O and change that into an apostrophe. For could not becomes couldn't. Okay, say couldn't. Very good. What did we do? How did we transform that into a contraction? We changed the O into an apostrophe. Next, when the second word is, the apostrophe takes the place of the I. For example, there is becomes theirs. The I, we get the I, then change that into an apostrophe. Another, when the second word is are, the apostrophe takes the place of the A. So for example, you are becomes your. You change the A into an apostrophe. Next, when the second word is have, the apostrophe takes the place of the H and A. This time you're going to omit two letters, which are H and A. Example, you have becomes you've. You change the H and the A into an apostrophe. Another contraction rules, when the second word is will, you're going to, the apostrophe takes the place of the W and I. Again, like the word have, you're going to omit two letters here, which are W and I. So example, I will becomes I'll. What did we do? What letters did we omit? Yes, we omit the W and I, and it transformed into an apostrophe. Very good. Will not, except for the word will not. This is an exemption to the rule because its contraction is won't. Again, remember the contraction for will not is won't. Okay. Another contraction rules. Okay, when the second word is would, the apostrophe takes the place of the W-O-U-L. This time, it's already 4 letters. Let's see let's see how to do this. Okay, the word is she would becomes she'd. You take the place of the W-O-U-L. And these letters transform into an apostrophe. Okay? Always remember, in contractions, the first word stays the same. Did you notice that? The first word stays the same. The second word pops out the letters. When you say pops out, you're going to omit some of the letters there. And then an apostrophe holds their spot. So to those letters that you omitted, you're going to change that or transform that into an apostrophe. Don't forget these rules. Okay, let's try this. We're going to write the contraction for each pair of words. Okay, I am. What is the contraction for I am? Okay, the correct answer is I'm. Change the A into an apostrophe. How about it is? It is becomes it's. Very good. Change the I into an apostrophe. Yay! Good job! Next. How about they would? Remember, we're going to omit the W-O-U-L and change that into an apostrophe. So the correct answer is they'd. Good job, my dear pupils. Let's have this one. Should not. Should not. Okay, because the second letter is not, we're just going to omit the O and change that into an apostrophe. So the answer is shouldn't. Great job! Next, does not. Oops. Remember, the second word is not, so you're going to change the O into an apostrophe and it becomes doesn't. Good job. Next, you are. The second word is are. Do you remember the rule? Yes, you're going to change the A into an apostrophe and the word becomes your. Okay, next. Good job. Next one. Cannot. Cannot becomes can't. This one, my dear pupils, is an exemption to the rule. Okay, because we cannot have double letters together. This one, we cannot have the double N together. So we're also going to change the N to get, we're going to omit the N together with the O and they will become an apostrophe. Okay, remember that one. Next. Oh, amazing, amazing. She is becomes she's. We change the I into an apostrophe. You did great. How about have not? Oops. Its second word is not. So we're going to change the O into an apostrophe. The answer is haven't. Congratulations! You did it! See you online, my dear learners.